Welcome back. In this video I will show you how you can insert left wave arrow in Word document. This is pretty simple and easy. Let's get started. So for this we need to click on the insert on the top ribbon, and on the right side click on the equation arrow and click insert new equation, and in the symbols group you need to click on this arrow and select the arrows, and now find it here, and here it is. You can see that you need to click to insert it. You can select it and go to the home and can change the size to 36 and can change the effects like this one. Moreover, there is another way. You need to type 219C and press Alt X all together. The code will turn instantly into left wave arrow in Word. So I hope you like this video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.